Let's see how you can easily set up an AI agent that can easily respond to your comments on your Facebook page and also the Instagram in just a few minutes. So here I'm in a demo account and we have already connected the Facebook page and also the Instagram as well. So if you are wondering how to connect these accounts over here, you have to simply go to channels option and choose the specific Facebook page you are going to connect, and also you can also log in with your Instagram account and connect right here. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of automations on your account. So here you can actually create an AI agent over here. So go to AI Hub, and here you can actually create any AI agents powered by OpenAI, Cloud, Gemini, or XAI as well. And here for an example, we have already created few AI agents over here. So let's use this one as an example, Bug Shield Pro Pest Control. So here we have all the information about this specific business right here, such as the services they provide, some sort of pricing information, and also some frequently asked questions as well. So here, when a particular customer add a comment on your Facebook page or Instagram, then the business information we have provided in this specific AI agent will be used to answer those comments automatically. So let's see how to utilize this AI agent we have created right here to automate the comments on Facebook and Instagram as well. And another important thing is that if you are planning to use AI, then make sure you connect the API keys from any of these AI models: OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, DeepSeek. So you can actually use any of these AI models. So if you're wondering, if you are planning to use the OpenAI, then simply connect the API keys from the OpenAI platform. So you can actually grab these API keys from right here and simply connect it on our platform if you are planning to use the OpenAI. So likewise, if you are planning to use any other AI models, you have to simply connect the API keys from those AI models over there and then use it. So here in the AI Hub, you have the option to choose the specific models as well. So let me open this AI agent, and if you click on this option, you have the option to choose specific AI models you want to use right here, and you can also set the priority as well. For example, let's say if the OpenAI fails, you can actually use the other AI models such as Cloud or Google Gemini to handle those comments as well. So even if one AI model fails, you have the option to set the priority for the other AI model so that the comment reply is simply working 24/7. So now go to the marketing tools over here and choose Facebook comments automation, and let me create a new one, and here let me say AI comments. All right, and here track comments on all posts. So this simply work on all the posts, including the past post as well. And here private reply to comment. So if you want to send them a DM, you can choose this option. Otherwise, if you want to just reply to their comments, you can choose none. All right, and public comment reply. So here you have to choose the AI agent option over here and choose the AI agent. So here, let's say we want to use this pest control business. Choose the AI agent and you want to reply to all the comments. So even if they say thank you, welcome, it will simply respond as well, because it's gonna actually use the information from this AI agent right there and answer any sort of questions as well. And here you have more options as well. You can even delay these responses if you want as well. For now, let me choose immediately and click save. So here we have created the AI comments on the Facebook page. Likewise, you can do the same thing for the Instagram as well. So here, go to Instagram comments automation. Let me create a new one and let me say AI comments again. And here, same settings, all post, private reply, let me choose none. Public comment reply, choose the AI agent, choose this one. All right, track comments on all the comments. And again, you have similar options over here. And if you want, you can delay these responses for the Instagram as well and click save. And make sure to activate this one as well. All right, so we are done with the setup for the AI comment replies on Instagram and also the Facebook as well. So here, let me go to the AI Hub and open this AI agent information right here, and let me go to the Facebook page and test it. So here this is the Facebook page connected over here. So let me open any post or reel and add a comment. So let me add the comment right here. I ask this question: do you offer same-day service? And let's see how this actually respond to us. So let me refresh this one over here and see if it actually added a comment. So it says 2 comments, and here it also add the comment as well. So it says, yes, we offer same-day services for emergencies, and these are the emergency options over there, and a $50 rush fee applies. Simple as that. So likewise, if you ask any questions over here, it will add the comment reply right there. So here you can ask any questions right here. So let me ask about the opening hours. So here let me go to the Facebook page and ask a question in a different post. What is your opening hours? Add this comment and see how this actually works. So let me add the comment. All right, so here we receive the response. It says our hours are Monday to Saturday 7 to 7 and we are closed on Sundays. Simple as that. Likewise, if you add any sort of comments about this specific business, it will gonna respond using the information we have right here. So that's how it actually works on the Facebook page. So let's test the same thing on the Instagram as well. So let me share the Instagram account right here. So this is the Instagram account connected over here, and let me open any random post and add a comment. So let me ask the same question. What is your opening hours? So let me add this comment on Instagram and see how this actually respond to us over here. So here we receive the response. So let's see what it says. Our hours are Monday to Saturday 7 to 7 and we are closed on Sundays. Simple as that. So let me open a different post over here. Let me add this comment and see how this actually respond to us over here. So here we have already received the comment reply, and it says we serve, these are the areas and nearby cities within 25 miles. Outer areas may incur a travel fee as well. Simple as that. So here it simply add the comment replies right here. So you can also send the same comment reply as a DM as well. So when they comment, you add the comment reply and send the same thing as a DM as well. So let me show how to make the small adjustment right here to send the DM as well. So go to marketing tools and let me show the demo on Instagram. So go to Instagram comments automation, and here if you want to send them the same DM, choose private reply AI agent and simply choose the same AI agent over here. So now it simply add the comment reply and also send them a DM as well, the same thing. So let me click save over here. All right, I have made the changes over here. So now let me share my phone screen over here, and now let me add a different comment over here. So let me open a different post and let me say, what is your address? So let me ask about the address and see what happens. So now this time it will add the comment reply and also it gonna send us a DM as well for this specific comment as well. So here we already received the DM over here. So it says our address is this one. So now if I go to the post, we should have received the comment reply as well. So it says our address is this one. So here it simply add the comment right here and also send a DM as well. And if they respond to that specific DM, you can actually initiate the conversation over there and also use AI agent again to handle those DMs as well. So if you're wondering how to activate the AI agent for the specific DMs, you have to do small thing right here. Go to AI Hub, make this one as the default agent. All right, and go to settings, integrations, OpenAI ChatGPT, make to switch this AI auto reply on and save it. All right, so now this AI agent can simply handle the messages as well they send. So now if I respond to this message, let's say thanks. So now the AI agent will handle the messages in the DMs as well. So let's see what sort of message we are receiving right here. It says, you are welcome, happy to help. Let us know if you need a quote or schedule a service. Simple as that. And here, since we have activated this AI agent to handle the messages, this will simply work on all these connected channels. Even it can simply work on WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, even other channels too. And you can also track the conversation happened through this unified inbox. So this from the Instagram, this from the Facebook, and you can track conversation from other channels too, and from this unified inbox, and agent can easily send any sort of messages as well. And that's a quick video on how you can easily use AI agent to respond to the comments on Instagram and Facebook. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.